how to apply an air tightness membrane around your floor cassette. So you take the Ampertex Solera membrane and quite simply you cut the roll in half. You create a 750mm wide roll and you use that to go across the top of your walls, just like that. Ideally, you want to overhang towards the inside by about 100mm so that you've got something to fold down and seal against the inside of the walls. So using the Ampercol DT, which is a double-sided tape, you run that along the inside of the walls, as you can see, and then with a quick snip in the corner, you fold the insides down and basically stick them to the OSB boards on the inside of your timber frame panels. Once that's done, take your Ampercol Flex Pro tape and use it for sealing the laps. The Flex Pro tape is a nice external tape. It's good with sun, it's good with weather, water, so it's a good tape to use for that kind of junction. And the Ampertex Solera is quite a robust membrane as well, and it's UV stable, so all in all it's an ideal membrane to use in that kind of scenario. So with all that in place, you can install your first floor cassette and lay that straight on top of your ground floor walls. In the corners, to stop a whole load of creases happening, you do need to remove the corner section and retape that junction. And then you simply fold that up. So once you've done that, you can fold the pieces back over the top of the floor cassette. Once that's folded into position, you can take some more of the Flex Pro and seal the corners and the laps again. So this creates a continuous airtight surface all the way around your floor cassette, and obviously you can do that all the way around the building. And now the Profix is used to bond some corner pieces down to the surface of the membrane. Again, coming about 100mm in from the edge of that membrane, which should line up with the inside of the walls below. You bond your corner piece in, which makes making the corner of the construction airtight a hell of a lot easier. So hold your corner pieces in with some more of the double-sided tape. And then you can start putting some more double-sided tape on the bottom edge of your OSB on the inside of your panels, ready to bond the flap of membrane that's sticking out from underneath the walls. So a quick slice into the corner, and then you can fold your strips of membrane back up. Finally, you simply seal the corners with some more of the Flex Pro tape, and there you have a completely airtight wrap to your first floor cassette. The last thing to do would be to use the Flex Pro to seal the surface of the membrane to the OSB all the way around, and that is the job complete.